I want to take a moment and just tell you why I'm doing this. What inspired me in the first place. It goes back to 1968 when I was 13 years old. I was involved with the Eagle 4-H Club in Las Cruces, New Mexico. And I wanted to compete in the events of soil judging, animal judging, and crop judging. Well, I didn't know anything about soil, but my father, he did know a lot about soil. He was a longtime farmer, and he was taking me on the farms where he knew the soils would vary, and so we would dig holes in the ground, and to judge soil, you had to be able to fondle the soil, look at it closely, and determine what its texture was. In other words, what percentage of the soil was sand, silt, or clay. So while we were doing this, and my father was coaching me on how to do it, he stopped on this one particular site, and he was down on his knees and dug a hole in the ground, and he scooped some soil out of the ground and was holding it. And he looked at me and said, "Michael, everything that we do in farming is wrong, and it destroys this. We need to learn how to do a better job." He was very inspiring to me up until his last few days of life, when he told me, "Michael, I'm very proud of you for what you do. Don't give up. The world needs what you're doing with Soil Secrets." And so I have stuck to the course and believe every word he has said about that. I'll never give up.